Hi everyone, I am Wing Commander Vijay, a veteran from Indian Air Force, and this is our anti-drone system, which indigenously produced. It's a made in India product. This entire system comes less than 35 kg, and this system from transportation condition to assembly and for field operational can be deployed within 45 minutes. A person with a training of 1 day can easily dismantle and assemble the system for operational deployment. So this consists of basically, it works on a principle of radio frequency jamming and GPS jamming. Now, in the radio frequency, the most commonly used frequency bands 2.4 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz. These are the two frequencies we are jamming. These are the antennas for this thing, and this is the GPS antenna where we are able to jam GPS signals and radio frequency in 2.4, 5.8. These are the RF power amplifiers for the system. The system, once connected, interconnected with all the cables, we will supply the complete wiring diagram and training for the troops to operate it. And once it is powered on, the system can work on battery as well as commercial supply or on captive power supply. And this can be used without any additional cooling systems. It can be deployed in any field conditions, and it has got a range of -10 to +50 degrees. It is capable of taking the hot weather of desert as well as high altitude, low temperatures also. And okay, once the full system is fully assembled and interconnected, there will be a battery connection or a commercial power supply or a captive from the generator supply can be given. And supplies once connected, the system can be switched on from this particular module. Once it is powered on, its RF signal scanning starts. Any drone within the range of this particular anti-drone system, the sensor senses the activity and immediately starts jamming in GPS as well as radio frequency bands simultaneously, and it will neutralizes. And any sentry wants to monitor the intrusion, there will be a beep coming from the system, and that will also alert the soldiers. And it will also have a blinking LED kind of a thing. And if required, we can give a custom configuration where the signal can be even given in the control room. So where the activity or any particular alert can be generated in the command control room as well. And this is also can be configured on Ethernet. Any Ethernet system that is there, like your existing CCTV system, in the same Ethernet, it can be configured using the buyer supplies the protocols. With that protocols, we can even configure the system.